Hi there, my name is Dr. Todd Austin from ColdLaser.tv and the Biomat Show, which are my two video blogs. And today I'm going to talk to you about cold laser consulting, which is one of my businesses. So I get asked this question quite a bit in the Facebook. People send me Facebook messages. I get emails as well asking me, well, what exactly does your cold laser consulting consist of? So that's a great question, and I get tired of typing that out to people all the time. So I thought, I'm just going to do a video which explains it and wraps it up, everything that we do with the cold laser consulting. So this video is about the initial 90-day cold laser consulting package that we offer. The initial 90-day package consists of, first of all, an initial 45-minute phone consultation with me so that I can discuss with the doctor the basics. Now keep in mind, we have some docs who have never touched a laser in their life, and we have some docs who have a laser or have several lasers and they just really don't know how to use them. We have other docs that have one or more lasers, they've used them for years, they've really got, pardon my French, but piss poor results because they didn't really know what they were doing because no one had trained them in how to properly use them. So those are the different types of docs that come to me for the cold laser consulting. So on that phone consult, I'll be able to basically figure out where you are along this process, how much you know, how much you don't know. It can give you the basics so that we can get you off the ground running as soon as possible, getting great results within the first week. So the second thing that we do is, if you do not have a laser already, what I'll do is I'll walk you through that initial purchase of your first cold laser therapy device. So that's all part of the 90-day package as well. Now the other thing is let's say you hire me for the 90-day package and you don't wind up actually buying the laser for another 30 or 60 days. That's okay. I'm going to actually start the 90 days, the clock ticking, when you actually get that first cold laser. When it arrives and you've got it in your hands, that's when we'll start the clock. So you may have this more than 90 days without getting charged for more than 90 days, is what I'm saying. The other thing that the 90-day package entitles you to is the complete unlisted training video library that I have set up for my cold laser consulting clients. So this has videos about the different features of the different devices. It also has a lot of different protocol videos. So we don't have every single protocol out there in a video, but we do have quite a few of them that I've done so that you can see how I would go through these different protocols for different conditions, be it a knee injury, a shoulder injury, a plantar fasciitis, different things like that, so you can see what I do in the clinic when I'm treating people and how you would do that. So there are probably 2.5 hours of these unlisted training videos at this point, and of course at least every couple of months I'm adding some more videos to the playlist. And the other thing is, if you have a question, I'm here for you. So you have a question on how to explain cold laser therapy to a patient, you have a question about marketing, you have a question about a different protocol that I don't have a video of, any of those things, not just limited to those, but those are the main ones. You have a question about any of those things, I'm just a private message on Facebook, a text, or an email away with an answer. So that's how that works. Now, my goal is to basically get you guys up and running. I've been studying lasers for 11 years, okay? I was studying lasers 13 months before I even had a laser. But I've been using lasers for 10 years. This month, 10 years exactly, I've been using cold laser therapy in my clinic. I've performed over 21,000 cold laser therapy treatments. I'm not loyal to any one company. I have cold laser therapy vendors preferred vendors with 3 different companies at this point. So if you do decide to purchase, you can just buy them from a sales rep you already have an established relationship with, or you can buy them from one of my 3 preferred vendors. That's pretty much everything that the 90-day package offers. Now, once again, I have been studying this stuff for 11 years. I've been using the lasers for 10 years in my practice, where I performed over 21,000 cold laser therapy treatments. I've also spent 5 years with a semi-pro football team on the sidelines, lasering all kinds of sports injuries, doing all kinds of pre and post surgical stuff when guys blow out their knees, working along with orthopedic surgeons doing that stuff. So I've got a vast knowledge of a lot of different real world protocols on using the lasers, because I've been in the trenches for 11 years doing that. So my goal is to teach you 80% of what it took me 11 years to learn in 90 days. That's my goal with this. So some people just do the 90 days and then they're not interested in continuing after that because they feel like I've taught them everything they set out to know and then some, and that's perfectly fine. Other people stick with me for another year, another 2 years, another 3 years. Another one of my goals is to save you guys a ton of money on your laser purchase. And it's not unusual that I'm able to save someone at least $10,000 on their initial cold laser purchase, which more than pays for the price of the 90-day consulting, which is $499. Okay. Some people have asked me, do I get continuing ed for this? Now, in the state of Illinois, we have Category 1 and Category 2 continuing ed, and this does qualify for Category 2. So the 45-minute phone consult would qualify as Category 2 CME, continuing medical education. The watching the videos would constitute Category 2 CME, and then anytime you're messaging with me back and forth, the time spent messaging, whether it's 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever, you just have to keep track of that, but that would also qualify as Category 2 CME for the state of Illinois. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about the cold laser consulting, my email is below, draustin@royal.net. Happy lasering. Have a terrific day.